Okay, I'm going to go around and through this house briefly. Try to give a verbal and video picture of everything that's got to be done. You got 3 dead trees here. You have these tree limbs hanging all over this house. One big storm. Roof's got to be replaced, gutters. That room's got to come off. It's right on the ground. It's been leaking where that roof is connected, coming in, running down in there for years. The outer band where the room is connected is rotten. Floor joists are rotten. Cracks in the driveway will have to be caulked, but I don't think the driveway is bad enough to have to be removed or replaced. Tile in there's got to go. Garage door and opener work fine. Have to fix that light over there, or it may just be bulbs, but it's probably baluster. Cap some electrical. Plumbing's been stolen out of the basement, the copper. Storm windows and doors have got to come off. Soffit, fascia, siding, some siding, not a whole lot of siding, but some siding. With the storm doors, storm windows, doors, gutters. The sewer line has been put in. There's another loose cap down there at the street. The plumbing has been cut and stolen. These large trees, you've got dead limbs, you've got live limbs, you've got ivy, you've got soffit and fascia. There was a huge black widow in this water meter the other day. Don't know if she's still in there or not. May be able to keep that door. Maybe the only one we can keep. Gas is locked. Roof's got to be replaced. Does this thing have gable vents? Just looked up there and can't remember. Yep. We'll put ridge on it though with the roof. I wonder if there's a slab under that base, under that room, but I don't know. We're going to tear all that off. Replace the heat and air system. I see where the floor joists. All that's rotten under there. I don't know if you can see it or not. This thing. Yeah, there is a slab. Okay, that'll be good. We'll just have steps coming down to that slab. Yep. demo that thing. We'll go into the garage and come through the house. I sprayed half that thing with off, try to keep the mosquitoes out. They're really ferocious. Hardwood's not original, it just put it down at doors. It needs to be replaced, but it's definitely got to come out and be reset if we, I think we're going to have to replace it. The flooring's got to come out. I think we can get by with just painting these cabinets. This tile floor's got to come out. That door's got to be replaced. Mold everywhere. Half bath. Laundry room. Storage closet, need shelves. Double oven, gas surface unit. Okay, it looks like a 36-inch. We could put a 30 in it, but I'll get the tape and measure that. All this is not original. Hardwood's not original. There was a door coming out from the den over there down to that slab. All of this. Has been coming in here for years, and the neighbor across the street said it had been vacant at least 4 years. That band's going to have work. Cut the band to put that AC vent in there. Rotten decking. We'll need to include some decking on this roof. Wallpaper in the dining room. Living room. It's gotta come out. That door needs to be replaced. Threshold needs to be reset down there. May be some rotten wood in that band there. Family room. That was a door at one time going out to that patio. Going down to the basement. There's a moldy rat down there on the bottom step. Okay, master bedroom. Doing an estimate on a house like this, it's easy to miss something. Once all this stuff is demoed, something else could easily show up. And in preparations of getting the rest of the copper. The things people do. Bedroom 1? Yes, bedroom 1. Thought that was a molded spot, but no, that's a rodent entrance and egress. Rodent egress. Okay, to the basement. Oh no, we still have one more, fourth bedroom. I need to get some light in here. Mold. Mold. All this is going to be torn up. They leave that drywall sealing or seal the drywall and rehang some drywall down through here. Oh, just step on our buddy. Oh, I missed him. He's just a fuzzy little ball of mold now, isn't he? Water's coming in that front foundation. Block is cracked vertically and horizontally. That's wet. Copper's cut. I'm not sure if that's where the copper, that's where that spigot's going out right there. Smells lovely down here. Absolutely lovely. The water's coming in. This basement is below grade. All this stuff's got to be demoed. I wonder there's not a whole lot more mold down here than there is, actually. I'm sure it's behind the walls. Yeah. That dirt coming in through there. Surprise me if we don't have termites. Surprise me if we don't have termites. Galvanized gas line. I may need to add another dumpster. at 6, but tree and limb, yard debris. Oh, this needs to be cleaned out here. Doesn't need to be left down here. I'm watching where I stepped today. I stepped in some kind of crap the other day down here. Never could get it out. Well, I finally got it out of the treads of my shoes. But boy. Water's coming in there. Hopefully gutters will take care of that. Copper's gone underneath here. All of this junk. We need to put that water heater on a slab. It's fairly new. I'm going to try to save it and just install an expansion tank on it. Put it on a slab. Replace this heat and AC system completely. Okay, I've got it measured up. Done the general. Start on this exterior. They cut copper pipe, then they leave a 5-inch piece of copper pipe sitting down here on the floor. I've got 6 dumpsters in it. I'll leave it there. They may have to change order for dumpsters. I don't know. Okay, well that's about it. I gotta get to work.